guys, and welcome to the April release. So hopefully better late than never is still okay. I know that sale is coming up this Friday, and so I was trying to get this out as soon as I possibly could, but I've been kind of running a little bit behind getting stuff done. So I apologize for this being a little bit late, but like I said, hopefully better late than never. So I have a few things here, some of which you've probably already seen in the other video, but just in case, I did add them into the new releases just so that you can see everything just in case. So I will very, very quickly go over those. And if you haven't seen them or you want a little bit more of an in-depth talk through about these two items right here, there are videos of them standalone all by themselves. So I will start out with the monthly melt box. So this is what's in the monthly melt box. Really quickly, I'm going to go over it. You got Cotton and Iris, English Garden, and Freesia and Lilac. Sorry, I forgot what it was called. But here they are. Here's the Freesia and Lilac, Cotton and Iris, and English Garden. If I can get it open. Packaging is amazing. Yes, it works wonderful. Especially if I can't even get it open to show you. Oh my god. There. There's English Garden. Wow. So there's the 3 wax melts for this month. All very floral, very, very, very pretty. And now my room smells amazing now that I just opened them. There's also a mini wax melter that comes with it. So this pattern is the one on this month. I have some other ones that will be in later boxes, but super, super cute. And it comes with this cute little tea light. Yep, that's the right word. I almost said wax melter holder. Tea light holder. Oops. I got it. There you go. It's hard to do this when you're top down. All right, and then in the sticker pack, which comes in this month, very, very quick, promise. Not going to spend a lot of time on these because, like I said, there's a much more in-depth where I tell you what those scents are and all kinds of good stuff. You've got your sticker pack with the hollow stickers in them. We have the spring fever quotes, the spring wax trackers, melter thingies. Actually, these are the ones that go with Flower Shop. So that's not the spring colors. That's the Flower Shop colors. Then you've got your journaling and your mini kit. So there's Flower Shop as a mini kit. All 4 pages. Come on. I can hear the cat. He is right outside my window, right there. I think he wants to come in. He can wait for his dad because his dad's almost over work. He'll open the front door for him. Okay, so that is what is in the wax melt box this month. And then another quickie is the journaling bundle. So this month in the journaling bundle, you got Island Coral Zig Clean Color Dot Pen, 2 rolls of washi. This one has gold foil. This one has no foil. This is the 15. That's the 10. Then you have your die cuts, which are amazing. Set that off to the side. Your vellum, which hopefully you can see that pretty well. Then your prompts, days of the week, March and April, the months. For the stickers, you have a mini kit in the garden mini kit. So there's your full boxes, all of your extra to-dos, today's importance, your washi and your date covers. Then we have a journaling kit. Here's the journaling kit. And then the deco sheet and another washi sheet with a whole bunch of other washis. So that is all the stickers, whoops, that come, I just kept flipping it over. And then also comes with the journal. So this month, this is the journal. Super, super cute. Very garden, very, very on theme. And then inside it is a dot grid. So nice big journal there, and it comes in the packaging. So that's a very quick rundown of that stuff, just because I wanted to make sure that it was included in the haul in case anybody hadn't seen those. And like I said, there are individual videos for both of those if you want a more in-depth look. Now onto the new sticker packs. So we have 2 new sticker packs this month. Hopefully, if I only do this with stuff that absolutely makes my heart happy. So hopefully I will find more artwork that I like to turn into stickers. But this one is all a little Harry Potter themed. So this is the sticker pack for this month. One of them. Let's lay them all out for you. How stinking cute. Look at how cute. And some butterbeer and some magical books. And then you've got Harry, more butterbeer, Hermione, and Ron. So that is sticker pack number 1. So this will be the 3rd one that's up in the shop. There's another one that's magical themed that has like Dobby, and it's more of like a watercolor one. So there's also that one in the shop. And then this one is the spring. This is the spring pack. I'll just lay these all out for you. And they are kind of like, almost like a retro 70s vibe Easter / spring. And I just think they're so stinking adorable. And these are perfect for journaling or dashboards or decorating your covers or pockets or whatever you want to use them for. And there's a bunch of florals. There's some Easter eggs, more florals. So that is the little spring pack. These are all up in the new releases section. So if you're looking, that is where you're going to find all this. Except for the melt box has its own section. So if you're looking for the melt box, it's going to be in its own little section. So just to go over really quickly, we're in the Pink Planner sale. It starts on Friday, the 7th of April, and it runs just through the weekend. And the theme is kind of like a game. I think it's called Game Night or Gamer or something like that. I can't remember, but it's game themed. So this is the freebie that everybody gets. So, and it kind of matches what we're about to show you for the gamer theme. Then to go on theme, I also wanted to add these because hubby and I play a lot of PS5, so I thought this would be really cute for me to mark in my planner when we're playing games and what games we're playing. So I have Gamer Kitty. Oops, I brought all the Gamer Kitties. Then part of the freebies, so not that, but this. So this is the everybody freebie. This I think is the $20 freebie. So if you spend $20, you get the quote sheet. So these are the quote sheets for gamer. And then the cat is losing his mind outside. I'm going to do gamer, the artwork, just so that you can see the $60 freebie, which is in here. So let me put that off to the side and move that off to the side and that off to the side. So this is called Gamer Girl. And I'm going to start at the back. There is this guy right here. So this is the $60 freebie. So this is up in the shop to buy on your own if you don't spend $60 and you just really want this. This is a journaling sheet, Gamer Girl. But if you spend $60 or more, that's after the code. This is what you get. This for free. So you'll get this and this and this. So those are the freebies for the Pink Planner sale. So I'll set that off to the side and then go through the actual kit itself. So these are the, you don't need all those. This is the extra boxes with 2 different skin tones, and then the desk, a close-up of the desk with the girl on it. Then here is your, let me see if I can't break this down. Let's go through the Hobo kit first. So we have a Hobonichi kit. Hang on. Here we go. So here's the Hobonichi kit. I'm trying to make sure that every single kit has a Hobonichi option so that if you like the artwork and you're a Hobonichi person, you will have it. So I've been trying to make sure that they all have it. So everything I have here now has a Hobonichi. Then this is the washi and the deco. It says Hobo Cousin, but it can be used in a journal as well. The deco's a little bit bigger. You've got the washi strips here, and these are really good for the daily pages. So if you have the daily, you know, in the daily section of your Hobonichi Cousin, these work really well in there. Or if you have any journal, they work really well in any journal. Then over here, sorry, I'm not super organized, but there's a B6 add-on. So if you have a B6 and you want to use that same artwork in the B6, I'll bring it up nice and close so you can see it. But here's the B6 add-on right there, and I will go through the kit itself. So we have our main 8 full boxes, your 9th box, and your washi and your date covers, and your date dots and your extra boxes. This is a good place for those quotes. Those quote sheets that the quote sheet that I showed you, this is a good place for those. And then your functional page. This is good sidebar stuff, some dividers, to-dos, today's importance, and movie marquee. And then, oh, this is Brandy's favorite page. So it has all of the doodle boxes and some more of the like functional boxes in here, paint swatches. Then you've got a whole bunch more in dividers and some solid boxes. And then you've got all of your labels, some more pattern boxes, and your deco. And this is the last page. So here's all of your check boxes and some more pattern boxes here. So that is everything that comes in a deluxe kit, plus all the add-ons. So that is Gamer Girl. Let me set that one off to the side. Next, we're going to move on to, oh, let's do this one. So last month it was Encanto. This month it's Belle. So here is the journaling kit for Belle. Super cute. I'm going to try to do one of these every month just because I think they're really cute and I love them. Look at how pretty this is. The Hobonichi kit. Super cute. I can't wait to use that in my Hobo. And then you've got your 6-page. So this is a 6-page version with your 8 full boxes and then your 9th full box. And look at how pretty that is. It's just so dang pretty. And then your extras. And then more extras. Along with some sidebar stuff. Your weekend banner. More sidebar stuff and more deco and like little paint stuff. So that is a 6-page kit, and that's Belle. Then this one. So I really, I don't know why, but I just really love this artwork. So I made a kit out. I made a kit. I had to. So this is called British Garden Party. I called it just Garden Party on the actual like thing at the bottom, but how cute would this be for like a summertime, like a barbecue or even like Independence Day, even though I know there's like a lot of British flags in here, but so what? I think it's absolutely adorable. And look at it, it's got all these like balloons and everything, so and a cake. So I thought this would make a really fun kit for like a summertime barbecue or like a summertime birthday party. So here are all the pages. And this is in a deluxe kit. I'm not going to bother telling you, you already know. So this one didn't have a lot of deco with it, so I decided to use things that I thought you guys could use over here with some flags and then some like the trash and shopping and we have little wax melts down here and water your plants and stuff like that. So I filled it with this instead because there wasn't a ton of deco to go with this one. And then here's this one. And then all of your functional pages. It's a very muted kit. Here's your B6. And your 2nd page of the B6. So there is the British Garden Party. Then, last but not least, this is absolutely gorgeous kit. Just gorgeous. So I'm going to start with the Hobo Cousin. Here is the cousin. So this one is called Spring Blooms. Let me see if I can't get it so that you don't have so much shadows. How pretty is that? It's going to be absolutely gorgeous for springtime. So there is Spring Blooms Hobo. Then I have the B6. So this is a B6. So if you get this one here is available in the printable. If you get it in the printable, this comes with it. It's part of the printables. Gamer Girl is also, I think, in the printables as well. So there's your B6. If not, if you're just buying it, like if I'm printing and cutting it for you, that's an add-on. And so is this. So here's the Deco and the Washi, which is an add-on. And then the kit itself. So here are your 8 full boxes. I just love the colors of this kit. It's so pretty. 9th full box. Just gonna flip through all of these. It's just so pretty. This one's gonna look good in both. So this one I have plans for both my standard vertical planner, my 7x9, and my Hobonichi. So this one's going in both, because I just absolutely love this. So is Gamer Girl. I'm going to save British Garden Party for summertime, but I think it's really, really cute. So there is all of the pages that go with the Spring Blooms. There and there. And these ones. So, so pretty. So anyway, we've got British Garden Party, Spring Blooms. That's still part of that. Belle. Lots of Belle. We got Gamer Girl. We have the new sticker packs. Just making a pile. We have the new sticker packs. We have Gamer Girl. I showed you all the freebies. We got the melt box. We have the journaling bundle. So hopefully that's probably about all I'm going to come out with for the beginning part of April. There may be a few things that I sneak in, like some redos, because I am working on some kits that I am redoing. So all of this stuff is available over on the Etsy shop. I'll leave it linked down below so you can find it. Like I said, sale starts on Friday. Everything will be 30% off, so you can pick up whatever you need. My guess is there probably won't be a ton of the melt boxes left by then, because those have a tendency to sell out pretty quick. But I'm sure that the journaling bundles will be there by Friday. So if you want to just wait for the sale, everything will be 30% off. And then, yeah, I will see you at the sale, I hope. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.